Yeah. And that's why I love Facebook ads more than anything. Like what you said was exactly right. You have to be religious about testing. Like if an entrepreneur is not set on testing new things every single day, then they are set up for failure. Because if you're not testing it, your competition is, and they're learning
Definitely,
insights that you do not know. So testing
definitely.
is the number one. And it's also important to understand the concept and everything that's going on around your business. And that's why I love Facebook ads, is because tests are very cheap. Like
Hmm.
we can do, like I can test 5 different variables of what works in a Facebook ad, and I'm spending $10 a day. Like we're not talking about anything big, and I can test.
Really.
Okay, like if you want to test if your this landing page works, I can get $100 budget, push it to it, see if it works. And that's why I love Facebook ads so much, is because the targeting capabilities that Facebook has with that for how cheap it is phenomenal. I can target someone with joint stiffness in New York City over the age of 55 that is female, that like crazy things. Like I can
Amazing.
target that capability, and I can target off my customer list. I can target off my lookalike audiences. It's just amazing the things I can target for so cheap right now.